See yourself?
Yeah, I'm just testing it. Lola, oi, you little bugger. What are you doing? Just seeing what it looks like. Ah. You're walking through the woods. Look, you want to say hello? I'm just testing it.
Hello.
Mum, look, there's the dog. Look, you saying hello? As you can see this video, we obviously didn't go on our cruise. Because there's a pandemic around. Oh, bless. But we had a great time. We went to the trap rooms, skate rooms, and we actually escaped this time.
Hard. Codes. Puzzles.
See, it goes quite far, look.
Scratching my head all the time. Sunny day though here now.
Oh, it's lovely.
She doesn't look any older, does she?
I do. I feel it today.
29.
I feel it today.
I feel 57.
Oh well, we've got it rebooked for next year.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
A lot of people have died, which is sad.
Sad, it's terrible.
It's awful. I mean, everywhere's shutting down. Pubs, restaurants,
Cafes.
cafes. I still got to work, as per usual. But hey
Might
ho,
not
I
be-
can't
might not
complain.
be forever.
I can't complain. At least I'm getting paid.
Yeah, but your health's more important.
Yeah. I don't know how much this records. I suppose you could hold it up like that.
Hello.
Might see. I don't know what the quality's like.
It'll be brilliant.
Try not to jilt it too much.
Smile.
We're smiling. We're walking Lola, and then we're helping Claire move Lucy in.
Unpacking, I'm guessing.
Ooh.
Lucy doesn't mind us bombarding her place.
See, this will be perfect for the boat, look. You get the
Oh.
whole boat decking
Hmm.
and us walking. So I can't get this with my other camera, can I? Because I can't
Mind that
get
hole.
far away. Woo! Here we are
Here we are.
in the Forest of Dean.
I'm in the Forest of Dean. Lola.
Right. We're just videoing our walk. Lola!
Come on.
It's quite bright out here, actually.
Come on. And it's 5 o'clock.
Looking at.
Come on. Good girl.
Let's see.
Your treats in
See
my
her video.
pocket.
I see her running. Good girl.
And she's 10.
10.
About.
Wow, nearly. Gosh. You don't realise how close you are to the infected. Just been speaking to someone at a very safe distance that's just got recovered from coronavirus. He's had it for, how long did you say he'd had?
He said
7 days.
he picked it up from a
He picked it up.
handshake in a meeting a week ago Monday.
A week ago Monday, so he's had it just over a week. He's only just recovering.
And it's Saturday the 21st today.
Yeah. He thinks he had it.
Oh, he said he is, pretty sure.
I probably won't upload this just in case the mobsters start flipping the news or whoever starts coming around the forest.
Yeah.
Media and all that.
Oh, no respect for it since Princess Diana was
I mean,
hanged.
this is 2020 and people are so selfish.
Yeah.
The poor elderly can't get their own shopping because
Yeah.
everyone keeps panic buying bog roll. I mean, bog roll.
You
Seriously?
can't have a conversation anymore by trying to put the world to rights because it's gone too far in some ways.
Woo. I mean, paracetamol. I mean, it was like gold dust yesterday trying to get paracetamol.
And you need to have that in the house.
Lola!
Come on, little girl.
Look,
Monkey.
she's nuts. She's absolutely nuts. Still cold for March. Whew. This selfie stick's quite good.
Is that somebody? No, I don't want to run in on.
Can't see.
Come here, monkey. Come here.
Oh, how far?
This is somebody down here.
People,
Yes.
humans.
Yeah.
Right, I think I'm going to wait to the field.
Bye.
Bye. I don't know how to stop this.